Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a sway double twist. We're going to show you it from two angles. Knowing how to do a sway already is really important, and if you want a bit more prep for doing this, then it's actually easier to learn the first move double twist before you learn the sway double twist. Links in the description below. So first off, I'll show you one way around, then I'll show you another way around, and then we'll break it down. So there are obviously angles this looks better from than others. It feels obviously the same no matter where you are. Goes 7 and 8. Are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Now if I show you that from another angle, it might make a little bit more sense. Go 7 and 8. Are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So first off, we need to be able to do the double twist bit on our own. I'll show you it first. What you are effectively doing is adding a twisting rotation. So left shoulder back, right shoulder back, left shoulder back, right shoulder back, and you do literally that, a full set, left, right, as you do a transition from one foot to the other. So you get left, right, and then the same going back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're twisting twice as you go across and twisting twice as you go back. Okay, I'll do that again facing the front so we can do it together. So feet nicely apart, weight solidly on one foot, and you need to do 4 motions: 1 shoulder, 2 shoulders, 3 shoulders, 4 shoulders as you go across, and then as you go back, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you should be fully back again. Practice that until it feels comfortable, then you're ready to join in with a partner. So we go man's right, lady's right, semicircle and back. We go wrap for a sway. Try and make sure you've got the nice hand as opposed to the lady's wrist bent. From here we want to step back with the right, and the guys want to be partially behind the lady. So our right foot is pretty much between the lady's feet at this point. Instead of bringing the left foot back or going forwards again, we now take a nice big step to the left, so it's almost like a side lunge. Left hand out, right hand in on the hip. So we've now got a nice long sideways frame for the ladies. We add the twist, so we're twisting, and as we do that we transition across to the right. So we go twist and transition back, twist and how many you do is up to you. I'm going to go backwards and forwards twice. Twist and heading back, twist and I'm going to sway the lady back again. So back on the right foot for everybody, and then finish a sway off as usual. Send the lady out and face, return and back. You could have done the slow exit as well as the fast exit, but I'm using the fast one for now. Okay, so let's think numbers, and as we do that I'll give you a different view again. So we go back 1, wrap 2, back on the right 3, out to the side 4, heading to the right 5 and 6, back to the left 7 and 8, back to the right 1 and 2, back to the left 3 and 4, back 5, away 6, facing 7, returning 8 and back 1. So that's it. Let's do it to a count. Here we go. 5, 6, a sway double twist. We go a back, wrap, back, side, twist and twist and twist and twist and twist, twist and twist and twist. We go a back, away, switch hand, return and back, though the switcher hand of course is optional. So that's it. Hope you enjoy that. I hope you find it useful and fun out on the dance floor. Obviously it works better if you've got a tune which has a nice kind of rocking rhythm going on through that section, because that way it makes musical sense. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. If you're getting value out of the videos, then please do that, because it really helps promote the channel. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.